Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it seems that the dollar is still reeling from the NFP numbers last Friday after gold had another uptick in price action, slightly consolidating now, but another step closer to that psychological level of 3,400. We see on the flip side, metals and energies this week really starting to get a little bit of a role reversal. Oil dropping quite significantly after OPEC's comments that there is an oversupply in the market. So we're seeing vast selling pressure on oil as well. But let's just get straight into the charts. And as I said, from last Friday, you can see that the monumentous upturn in price action. We went from 3,300 from almost 3,400, so a 70 to 80 dollar jump just on the news. And from the early sessions this week, starting out, we are seeing another price hike. As I said, slight consolidation now on the intraday chart, but things are looking a little bit more bullish than bearish for the yellow metal. So dollar just really on the back foot, really licking its wounds from last Friday across the board, especially on the FX market and on the dollar index as well. So where do we go from here for the dollar and gold? As I said, the next psychological level, 3,400, is what we're looking at in the near term. So we might be able to possibly reach that particular area quite soon. But we'll see what the events are leading to this week, because we've got a few other news events coming up which could shake the market a little bit more. And obviously with the Fed's comments that it is looking to probably start cutting rates in September, will this throw another spanner in the works for the dollar and also for the yellow metal? We'll have to wait and see. And just looking on oil, like I said, a vast sell-off. We were just trading around $70 per barrel, and that was quite significant. Now dropping $3 to $4 in a few short sessions. The RSI very oversold at the moment, so we are looking for a slight bounce in price action. This is creating a slight bullish divergence, so we could see a slight bounce. But you know, there is so much selling pressure at the moment. We're just seeing this V-shaped recovery to the downside for sellers really playing out at the moment. So we're looking at firm support roughly around this particular area, about the mid $64. If we drop below 65, we still have another dollar or so to go, but it's not out of the realm of possibility that we will see another sell-off. So if you are trading these commodities, gold, just keep an eye out for the Fed, keep an eye out for the dollar as well. If you are trading oil, then obviously OPEC have been moving the market quite significantly in the last few days with their comments leading into what is possibly another trade war between America and India. Donald Trump recently did warn India about buying cheap Russian oil. So this could actually shake up the oil markets even further. So just keep an eye out for that headline as well, because obviously we've seen since Donald Trump has been in office, he doesn't hold back on his tariff threats, which we've seen, as I said, from the beginning of the year. So as usual, we'll bring you all the latest in the fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.